Safe mode in Windows. Explain. Safe mode starts Windows with the minimum it needs: basic drivers, no startup programs, no third-party services. It looks ugly, and that's the point, because if a problem disappears in safe mode, you've learned something valuable. Here's how to use it. Getting there is the first hurdle, since the old F8 key no longer works. From a working system, open Settings, System, Recovery, and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart, and pick Safe Mode from the numbered list. From a machine that won't boot, interrupt startup twice, and the recovery menu appears on the third attempt. There are 3 variants: minimal, with networking if you need internet, and with a command prompt. Once inside, you can uninstall a bad driver, remove software that won't uninstall normally, run a scan, or undo whatever change caused the problem.